So the grind don't stop, according to Cicely. ATC on top, according to Cicely. Gotta drop some drops, according to Cicely.
What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. So I started off with these two big bags full of laundry. They may not look large on camera, but they hold a lot because there's a pocket in the front and then the whole thing opens down the center. Excuse me now if I seem winded. I am. I was in a car accident like on Saturday. Today is Tuesday, the day that this video is due. And I said, you know what, Cicely? You're gonna take 30 minutes, record this video, and then sleep for the rest of the week. This is my 30 minutes. So, welcome back to the family. If you are new, hello, my name is Cicely. I like to do videos just to show a different, view of disabled people or whatever, or a different view of someone with sickle cell anemia, because I know that it's, a disease that most people don't know about. And I just want to encourage you that if I can get through life, hospitalizations, accidents and all, no matter what may come your way, you can get through it. You can do it, and look, we can do it together. So go ahead and subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and let's become a family. So y'all, this video is a collab with Wanda from Miss Amaechi, and she also has another channel, Grandma Does It All, and also with Just Being Sierra. Y'all would be so proud of me because I went into Ross this morning. Y'all know I saw all the home decor. I saw more Halloween home decor. I was so tempted to buy because I was like, ooh, this would be cute for an outside video. I went in, I bought my hangers, and I was out of there. It's probably the first time I've ever done that in years. I may or may not enjoy shopping a little bit too much. So my video is going to be on cloth diapers. Basically how to launder cloth diapers, how to take care of them, and I'll do a little Q&A on like frequently asked questions. So let's start off with the why. I guess my boyfriend and I chose to do cloth diapering. One, it's environmentally friendly. If I showed y'all a picture of, a landfill with all the diapers that get wasted, if you have a baby, sometimes they use the bathroom, they might pee one time. And if you're anything like me, or my son's father, we take it off. I'm not gonna make my son sit around, wet. It doesn't have to be super full for me to change the diaper. Now imagine how much you spend per month. Everybody out there with kids, y'all know it's expensive. We've literally saved hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. The good thing about cloth diapers, another good thing, is that they can, y'all, I'm trying to put my baby clothes on these adult hangers. Don't mind me. Of course they didn't have the kids hangers because I needed them. So another good thing about cloth diapering, you can use them, from one child to the next. We're done with babies, but say we have another baby. We don't have to go out and buy another set of cloth diapers. So speaking of cloth diapers, I should fold some for y'all so y'all can see what they look like. So there are two different types of liners. The white liners, I double up to make the diaper more absorbent. So you just take the two liners and there's a little pocket. These are called pocket diapers, and you put them inside just like that. And then there's your diaper. This part is really soft. This is the part that goes against the baby's skin. And then the other type of diaper we have, well, liner, are the gray ones. The gray ones, you only need one liner because they are charcoal liners. So they're supposed to be more absorbent. Okay, so what else? Somebody wanted to know, well, how do you launder them? So if you watch, you know, this video, you'll see it's very simple. It's, you know, not anything complicated. It's just like you would do your laundry. And the thing I think that sets them apart from another diaper that's disposable. All right, y'all, quick pause for the subscriber shout out. If you want to be shout out in the next video, it's easy. All you have to do is subscribe and leave us a comment down below. So this video's subscriber shout out goes to Uniquely Lisa. She writes, "Hi Cicely, new here and I'm happy to meet you. I am so sorry to hear you were in a car accident. I hope you are okay and doing better now, or feeling better now. Great new chandelier. It adds a lot of style and you enjoy having an overhead light. All of your decorations turned out so good. Cute nails too. Thanks for sharing your home with us. Hope you have a wonderful week. XO." So thank you so much for saying that, and welcome to ATC gang. I hope you enjoy the content here, and I'm definitely enjoying having the overhead lighting. It makes such a huge difference. All right, y'all, back to the video. I can coordinate the, you know, y'all know I'm big on like the coordination and stuff. So guess what? When my baby is wearing an outfit, for example, when he wears this Echo blue and yellow outfit, he has a matching yellow diaper. It's like the little things like that about parenting that really excite me. So what else can I tell you all? The cost. So now I'm not gonna lie to y'all, they can get pricey, but there's ways around it. You can go on Facebook Marketplace and get used diapers. You may feel like that's gross, but it's not, because all you have to do really is go on Facebook Marketplace and buy this part, the shell. And then you can go on Amazon and buy the insert. So, you know, it's all up to how you want to do it. We were excited, and I wanted to, like I said, have, you know, different ones for the holidays. So Daniel has his, you know, these have ghosts and, you know, cats and pumpkins. I wanted him to have Halloween diapers. You know, like, I'm just all into all of the extraness. So for a 6-pack of these diapers, these are by the brand Alva Baby, ALVABABY. So a 6-pack was about $30, $35 at the most, and that's pretty good, because you have some brands where a whole where one diaper can be $30. You can get these on Etsy. You know, they have like what is that holiday for African Americans? I'm sorry, y'all, my brain is a little foggy from the medicine. But y'all know the holiday in February. So if you go on Etsy, they have diapers that you can get for that holiday. They have like Obama diapers. They have diapers that you can get for Christmas. Like when I tell you Daniel has all of them, he has all of them. So it's all about how much you want to spend. Another thing, you don't have to buy different sizes. So that's another thing that saves you money. If you are using the disposable diapers, you got to buy newborn size, and then after the newborn, you know, you got to buy size 1, size 2, and then it just keeps going. The cool thing with the disposable diapers, yes, they have, I meant with the reusable diapers, yeah, they have the newborn diapers, but you don't need to do all that. That's why the diapers have these little snaps, so that you can size the diaper to fit your baby. Daniel's almost 2. He's been wearing these since he was probably 5 months. The same diapers. We just launder them and keep it going. So the savings, you know, is crazy. Like, I've been able to use that money for other things. What else is a frequently asked question? Somebody asked about the smell. So the bag, these bags protect the smell. You use the diaper or whatever, and then you roll it up, you close it up. That's why it has these little snaps. Let me show y'all. So you will roll the diaper up, and then, you know, like a dirty diaper after you take it off the baby, and snap it closed. And now it's closed, and then you put it in your wet bag. A wet bag is kind of like, you know, a bag you take to the beach. So you toss it in your wet bag, boom. And when it's time for you to wash clothes, you wash your clothes. So because I don't need bleach, that's saving me money. Because I don't use fabric softener sheets, that saves money. You can't use fabric softener sheets on cloth diapers because it'll mess up the absorbency. And you want to make sure these soak up as much fluids as possible. So hopefully that was educational enough, and I'll do a in-depth, you know, cloth diaper video soon. But for now, y'all got it, and I appreciate you guys for watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut on some music, finish folding up this laundry, and then y'all can see like where I store it. And that'll be all. So if I don't say goodbye in the end, thank you all so much for tuning into this collab. Make sure you check out the link down in the description box to see the other ladies. All right, y'all, be blessed.
Bet you never loved someone. Bet you never loved somebody like I just did. Bet you always hurt the ones. Hurt the ones you say you're so deep in love with. You don't know nothing, 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 nothing. You don't know what it feels like. Baby, I'm hurting, 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 hurting. And you don't even ask why I'm staying up all night. I haven't slept since you came into my life. Why I'm drinking all the time. Why I'm feeling lonely when you're here by my side. I just want something, 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 something from you that feels right. But I know nothing, 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 nothing will do, not this time. You tell me that
Think I like that shirt, subscribe, do that for Cicely. Till the grind don't stop, AccordingTo Cicely. ATC on top, AccordingTo Cicely. Gotta drop some, AccordingTo